boys. Woo! Yeah.
Yeah.
Right on, buddy.
Nice one.
Shit, yeah. That was a good bounce. Woo!
Well, boys, how's this for being in a jam? It's below me. Walk back here. And yeah, that's above. That's where I came from. I want to go in there. And I'm by myself. And I can't hear anyone. So yeah. Welcome to Cooking with SnowBikes, episode 3 from beautiful British Columbia. Here with Summit SnowBikes, Shannon Mason. Full fang it.
Definitely full fanging it today.
Okay, so like it's about an hour. It's been like 2 hours. We have been in some very, very gnarly areas alone, all three of us, and stuck, which made for some interesting adventures.
I never got stuck.
So it heats up the food more, right?
We got two things cooking here for my boy Shannon. Watch your fingers.
Oh, yeah. Yummo.
I think that's a cheeseburger.
Ooh.
I got an egg and bacon sandwich.
Yeah, boy.
Let's see.
Should be hot.
Let's see that melty cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got crispy.
Oh, yeah.
Look at all that
that's
cheese
like
melt.
Quarter pound of a cheese.
Oh, yeah.
boys.
Look at this one.
Oh, that's got some darkness on it.
Snow bikes. I love it. Summit SnowBikes, check them out. Best time you'll ever have in the snow.